This is Mike at Sonrise Construction. We're back today. We're back at this remodel house. We're getting the granite in today. We're in the process of cutting this piece right now for this half bath. We've got the granite in for most of the kitchen areas. It's turning out really pretty. Templating right now for the backsplashes for the sinks. Now let's go over here to look at the other bathroom we're working on. Got the cabinet in on it. Gonna get the granite set for that today also. It's looking great. Give me a call, 918-357-7777.